Right, the next Harry Potter build is the Owlery, which is very cool. It's set, it was brought out this year, and it's set 76430, Hogwarts Castle Owlery. You can see here the minifigures that you're going to get in the set. Box art is nice. This is the front of the box, which is very cool. Again, there's the minifigs, and also on the back shows you some of the highlights, I suppose you could call it, highlights. So yeah, you get Argus Filch, Harry Potter and Cho Chang, all with their winter attire. Cho Chang's got a nice scarf on, so this is cool. I think this is the first Cho Chang I've had, I'm not sure. But anyway, yeah. So this is from the film, and it's winter, so that's cool. Let's see what we got. We've got 364 pieces. Begin a magical adventure with Harry Potter and Cho Chang at the Hogwarts Castle Owlery. Climb the steps up the rock face to enter the Owlery. Look out for the owl statue and the 5 owls perching on the window ledges, including little pig Widgeon. The Owlery is the ideal place for Harry to ask Cho to go with him to the Yule Bowl. Just don't break any school rules when Argus Filch is around. Filch, I got that wrong the first time, so yeah. No cat, which is a bit strange, but whatever. You also get the collectible portraits with this one random tile included in this set. So let's have a look and see what we've got. 5 owls is nice, I kind of like that. Let's see. Open her up. There we go. Okay. Somebody mentioned in the comments before I'd be able to build my own Hogwarts world or city or town or area or whatever, and you're right, I will. And I am slowly piecing this stuff together to do just that. So we'll see. I have some other sets. So I've got 4 bags, 1 instruction manual, which is there, and what have we got inside? Does it say anything? Probably not. No, it goes straight into instructions, so that can go there. Bag 1 can stay with me. Let's have a look. Okay, little bits of cardboard everywhere. Awesome. There we go. Bag 1. Okay. Plenty of bits and pieces, which is cool. Nice. Right. Okay. So. Yeah, we have 1 minifig to start with. Obviously, this must be Harry. Oh, and we got the rat, which is, what's his name? God, I can't remember his name now. Yeah, whatever. In the comments, you can maybe tell me or remind me who it is that was the rat in disguise. But this is Harry with long straggly hair because he's got older. Okay, so that's cool, and he's obviously got a wand somewhere. There we go. Let's put the wand on. I might as well finish this instead of doing the speed build bit of this piece. Does anybody else have problems getting these wands on? God, okay, there we go. And they always seem to be left-handed, which is really strange, because I would have said the majority of people are right-handed, but whatever, maybe I'm wrong. There we go, Harry Potter done. And the rat. Okay, so I'm going to now do the speed build. Bag 1, 2, 3 and 4, is it? Yeah, 4 bags, so it shouldn't take too long. I'll see you in a minute. Don't forget, smash the like, subscribe, comment, anything you can do to help me out and help the channel. I much appreciate, and thank you for watching the video. I'll see you in a bit. All right, that's done. Done, I'm finished. Done. That's, I really enjoyed this. It was quick, but the detail is awesome. Well worth it. I'll give you a little 360. Don't want to cut off the top, so let's have a look. So yeah, you can see the outside, the inside, which is cool. We got Filch here. He's kind of on guard duty, but sweeping as well. We've got owls everywhere, and we've got that awkward moment with these two, where he wants to ask her to the ball, but she's already going with somebody, and he kind of turns around and walks off and says, "Oh, okay then." So, and then she turns back and says to him, "Oh, but I really would have liked to, blah blah blah." Okay, anyway, so that's the scene, which is cool. I'll show you everything in more detail now. So let's start with the minifigures. Let's go you. Kit 1. Cute. And out you come, Harry. There you go. 3. Right, okay. So let's put this there. Okay. Right, so I don't know if you've seen the scene, but it is in the winter, hence why there's snow everywhere. But this is Filch. Is that Filch? Yeah, I think it's Filch. Filch. Let's go. I'm just going to go back so that I can see. Yeah, okay. Right, so cool. Okay, so Argus Filch is the first one I'm going to show you. He's got his broom there. He's got printing on his torso, front and back. I do like the torso print on the front, it's very cool. And he's got his hair piece, which comes off. He's got 2 faces. One's the angry face, one's the kind of, I'm going to get angry in a minute, which is really cool. I really like it. Yeah, so that's Filch. Let's just put his hair back on. And then his hairpiece is very cool because it's got like little bits on the top where he's balding and along at the sides. So yeah, I think that's probably a really cool little character in this set. I like him. Then we've got, what's her name? Cho? No, Cho. Yeah, Cho, who's got her scarf on, which is really cool. I love the scarf, blue scarf. Got a light blue skirt. And she's got the green top with a shirt underneath, stripy shirt. She's got a little hoodie on, so it's got a print on the torso on the front and back, which is cool. And then she's got 2 faces. One is a kind of, I'm sad I missed the chance to go with you, Harry. And then that's the, oh, I'm already going with someone, Harry. So that's kind of cool. Yeah, I like this. I do like Cho. Cho's a very cool character in the story as well, in the film anyway. And there's Harry with his long hair, hippie hair, as I call it. He's got his brown top on with printing on the front and back. So it's like a hoodie, it's got like grey inside hoodie that he's got on. So he's got like a jacket with a hoodie, and the hoodie comes on the outside at the back. He's got his glasses, his long hair, and then on the back he's got one face there, which is kind of like the smiley face, smirking face, and then the other one's his disappointed face, I suppose. But yeah, that's cool. Right, okay, there's the minifigs done. Really cool, I like those. Now, this has got so much detail on it, I don't want to miss anything, but we'll zoom in. Okay, there we go. So this little table here, this has got the owl treats on it. And then you've got another owl here, so you turn this round, which is cool. Then that's obviously the water for the owls, and then this obviously is supposed to be, I suppose, the little house for the owls. Next to it we've got like a cookie, I don't know if you can see that, a little cookie on the floor in between the treats box and that. So that's kind of cool that turns around so you can change it whenever you feel like it. I do like the treats. I love the colours of that. And sorry, I'm looking over there, but I have to see the camera. Then we've got, let's go through the little little rat down here. See, kind of on the bottom there. Just lift it. There you go. Yeah, there's the little rat underneath. And I still can't remember the character's name. And then we've got our spider here up on the wall, very creepy little spider. We've got all the steps that go up from one side, and we've got the steps that go up from the other side, which is kind of nice. We've got the rock formations here on both sides, both corners if you like. Then if we go up to the middle floor, we've got the statue, the owl statue. And then at the top we've got some really nice little decorations inside, which transfer on the outside as well with these little brown blocks. That was a nice technique used to that. I kind of like that. And you've got a letter here. Whoop, let me show you this. You've got a letter here and a letter at the top. Sort of random letters being dropped, I suppose, by the owls. And then in the top, you're looking at that. So in the top we've got the collectible, which is nice. It's printed. I thought it might be stickers, but it's printed. And then you've got another owl in the top here who also turns, which is quite cool. So you can put that in whatever position you like. Oh, I've just knocked him off. So yeah, he turns whenever you want him to. Now I've got to try and fix this up. It's a bit fiddly, but he does kind of turn, which is cool. Oh, come on. There you go. Alright, so yeah, so that's him. You've got the two lights here, which is awesome. You've got one owl here, which I can show you there. You've got the white owl, and then you've got the brown, light brown owl here. There's the back of the white owl, and then you've got this one down here with wings spread. It's kind of like a reddish brown owl. He's quite nice. I kind of like him, I like the colour scheme. And of course you can obviously pose them however you like, really, it's entirely up to you, but this is how it shows you in the instruction manual. You've also got this little balcony area here. I mean, the detail is just incredible, I love it. Obviously the snow on the top, that's what the white depicts, is like the snow. You've got snow inside as well. Little bits of snow, snot everywhere, and on the balcony. And then you've got the tree down here, which has got like a snow top to it as well, which is cool, kind of cool. And then you've got here little white, which is denoted again for snow, and also here. So yeah, the detail's awesome, and I'm supposing these are like letterboxes here. You've got one that side, one that side, which I think is kind of cool. So yeah, I really enjoyed this, and what I ended up with is awesome. This does fit with other sets, which is kind of cool. But yeah, what do you think? Let me know in the comments. I'm sure these are supposed to be letterboxes. Let me know if I'm wrong, but it seems that way. So there's your little 360, and I think the inside detail and the outside detail are awesome. Very, very cool. You can put the owls wherever you like, but I've just followed the instructions. So let's put the minifigs back in. Let's put Filch down there. I do love this, reenacting this scene of Harry getting in the way of the door and Cho wanting to come in, which is kind of cool. There you go. So there, set done, build done, loving it, awesome. Let me know what you think. Like the video if you could, if you enjoyed it. Comment also what you think. Did I miss something? Do you know the names of all the owls? I'm not that big a Harry Potter fan to know all the names of the owls, but hey, you know, which one is Pigwidgeon? Little Pigwidgeon? I'm supposing it says Little Pigwidgeon. I'm supposing it's this one. That's Pigwidgeon because it's the smallest one of the lot. Let me know what you think, and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching the video. See you later. Bye bye.